Hey, what's good, family? Let's get this bread. So, to start out the day, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking right at market open. And then 30 minutes in the market opening, we have Jolt's job opening. So, be on the lookout for that. We could experience a lot of volatility for the day. There's no telling how long Fed Chair Powell is going to speak, but this will likely have some sort of effect on the market. So just be on the lookout for that. He could say anything. It could push stocks up. It could push stocks down. Just be on the lookout for that. Going on, I already know there are no earnings today, but here, these are the earnings for today. This is the earnings for tomorrow. Nothing really there to look at. So going on, looking at the charts. All right, here we are. All right, starting today, looking out at the QQQ. QQQ has been consolidating since Wednesday, just kind of trading sideways in this range. So looks like it's charging up for a move, whether it's to the downside or the upside. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, it is still trading in that range. Right now, support appears to be around 479. And then resistance appears to be about 482. And then going on looking at the SPY, similar story to the QQQ, but in a lower range. It looks like it could more ready to potentially break down. It's trading on the lower end of its range, sold off hard from the supply zone up here. Right now, resistance on the SPY is around 545.50, and support, it's trading below. Actually, resistance right now is actually 544 on the SPY, and support is going to be right here at 542.50. Going on looking at Tesla. Tesla was a beast yesterday. All right, Tesla right now, we came into this supply zone. We broke through another one. I remember yesterday I said if Tesla gets above 205, which it did almost immediately, it was going to 210, and it just did that so fast, and even went to 213, and now it's coming back down for a healthy pullback. Looking at this, Tesla made its first low. It might go back up, potentially come down again before continuing the trend. Looking at Nike, we got this bullish engulfing candle, so I would expect this trend to continue. I grabbed a call. I actually grabbed a call yesterday. I think I grabbed a 179 call. Can't remember if it's for next week or the week after, but I would expect Nike to continue this kind of pullback to the upside. So I personally would expect Nike to slowly make its way up to 84.44. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for with Nike. The call was fairly inexpensive, and people think it's still going down, which it could, but right now it looks like there's a nice pullback. And when it comes to Chewy, yesterday I said I wanted to buy in at this level. I didn't. This is actually where Robinhood being out yesterday helped me. I wanted to buy a call at this level, but I noticed there's a better level it looks like it might come to. Like, it might get a little reaction from this level and go up a little bit. But ultimately, to me, down here at this $22 level, this is when the action really started. And this is when I would like to go in on this. Taking a look at NVIDIA, actually in a put as we speak, and there's a little gap fill right here to about 123. I would like to see us come fill this gap and then at least come down to 116, and then potentially 111, 110. And if it really wants to move, oh no, it already closed that gap, but yeah, I would like to see it come to 110 and fill this gap in. All right, looking at Amazon. So kind of missed talking about it yesterday. Amazon came down to the demand zone and bought up. So honestly, after this first candle right here, I should have noticed and called out like Amazon. We got this bullish engulfing candle, kind of like what I said I see on Nike. That was easy money yesterday. But if Amazon continues this trend, it should come make a new high or test the high before coming back down. At Palantir, we're on the upper end of its range. Where we came, bought up here, got our pullback, got our first low, second low. Right now, Palantir is still in an uptrend, but to me right now, it's not worth the risk trying to get in a trade riding it to the upside. To me, if you're not in something already, I would wait for it to establish a new range and pull back, or wait for it to pull back before testing those highs. And then last but not least, looking at Apple. Apple is still kind of trading in this range. That's kind of what Apple likes to do. I would draw support for Apple at 215, and I would say close resistance is about 216.70, and then next resistance is going to be about 217.80. And I'll talk about this one every day. Pay attention to the dollar. It's kind of trading in the range a little bit. It kind of sold off a little bit from yesterday, but it didn't really sell off too much to really mean anything. So be sure to smash the like button. That is your watch list for the day. Let's get this bread, family.